Hello, in front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the system option, then tap on it. Then scroll down, find the about option and select it. And here scroll down, find the option called system updates and select it. The watch will start checking for the available updates. At least it should. Oh, now it's checking. And once it detects the update, it will start downloading, as you can see. So it's recommended for your watch to be connected to the network, to the Wi-Fi or to the internet before you check for the updates. And it's gonna start downloading the update, and if your battery level is above 50%, it will start installing the update automatically, if there is one. And once you're done checking or installing the update, if it's downloading the update, I don't recommend to press the side button, but if it's said that there is no updates available, that you're up to date, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.